So in today's video, we are going to discuss the solution of the equation, that is 9 power x minus 6 power x is equal to 4 power x. So in order to solve this question, very first we will divide the entire equation by 4 power x. So the resultant equation will become 9 power x minus 6 power x divided by 4 power x is equal to 4 power x divided by 4 power x. So on left hand side, this 4 power x will be distributed between 9 power x and 6 power x. Like if we have any term a minus b divided by c, that means c will be divided or distributed between a and b, like a upon c minus b upon c. So after using this property, the left hand side becomes 9 power x divided by 4 power x minus 6 power x divided by 4 power x, and right hand side becomes 1. So after using the properties of indices, means when we have any term like a power n divided by b power n, so it can be written like a upon b power n. So the left hand side of the equation becomes 9 upon 4 whole to the power x minus 6 upon 4 to the power x, and right hand side there will be 1. So here we can write 9 by 2 as 3 by 2 power 2 whole to the power x minus, and 6 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 to the power x equal to 1. Further, after using the properties of indices, that is, if we have any term like a power n to the power m, so it can be also written as a power m to the power n. So the left hand side of the equation becomes 3 by 2 to the power x whole to the power 2 minus 3 by 2 to the power x is equal to 1. So further, here we will be using a substitution in order to solve this equation. So the substitution is like 3 by 2 power x is equal to t. So after putting 3 by 2 power x is equal to t, the equation will become t square minus t minus 1 equal to 0. This quadratic can be solved by using quadratic formula. So here the values of t will be given as t is equal to minus minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 whole divided by 2. So further the values of t will be like t is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So if we put the value of t again, that is 3 by 2 power x, so the resultant will be like 3 by 2 to the power x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So if we take negative sign from right hand side, the resultant will be like 3 by 2 to the power x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So here we can observe that left hand side is an exponential term that will be always greater than 0, whereas the right hand side there is a negative quantity. So this equation means this condition cannot hold true. So that means if we taking the positive sign on right hand side of this equation, the resultant will be like 3 by 2 power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So from here we can find the value of x. That will be the solution of given equation. So further, in order to find the values of x from here, we can apply natural log on both sides. So the resultant will be like natural log of 3 by 2 power x is equal to natural log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So on left hand side, if you use the properties of logarithm, that is, if we have any term like log a power b, so it can be written as b dot natural log of a, provided every logarithmic terms are defined. So further, the left hand side of this equation becomes x dot natural log of 3 by 2 is equal to natural log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So from here we can find the value of x, like x is equal to natural log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 whole divided by natural log of 3 by 2. So if we further simplify the right hand side using the properties of logarithm, so x will become x is equal to natural log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus natural log of 2 whole divided by natural log of 3 minus natural log of 2. So this is the only solution of the given equation. So if we further simplify the right hand side, so the value of x will be approximately 1.87. So this is the only solution of the given equation, and this is the answer of this question.